Generating unit tests in Python can be tedious, but AI chatbots are making it faster. These models analyze your code and produce test cases that cover edge conditions and typical scenarios. The process usually involves pasting a function or class into the chat interface and receiving a set of assertions. For example, a chatbot might recognize a sorting algorithm and generate tests for empty lists, duplicates, and already sorted data. However, the output often requires manual tweaking, adjusting variable names or adding missing imports. Developers also need to verify that tests actually run and match the intended behavior. Some tools integrate directly into IDEs, offering inline suggestions as you type. The key takeaway is that AI chatbots serve as a powerful assistant, not a replacement, for thoughtful test design. They accelerate the repetitive parts, freeing up time for more complex testing strategies.